We're taking a walk today, but only problem is it looks like snow's on the way. The good news is we've got to the spot. The bad news is it looks like the rain is about to arrive. Car park locked at 4 o'clock. Mud. Yeah, that noisy doggy. It turns out it's because I was wearing red. That's what it was all about. Yeah. Nice bit of river. Time to put my hat on because it looks as though it's going to. Noisy blooming geese out that way. And looks like insects and things out here.
In the hedge.
In the hedge, eh?
No.
Come in, June. It's not that muddy. It's okay. And this is the River Blackwater. So just following the River Blackwater upstream. Yeah, just seeing where we are. Dragonflies. We are about here and we're going to carry on walking round that way towards Horseshoe Lake. And we might be able to go back up round there possibly. Don't know, we can argue about that later. Yeah, we are here and there's a footbridge there.
The sign said the Blackwater path is 23 miles long, so there's a lot more that we could do.
Well, and that's the path that runs all the way along this Blackwater River. So what's your name? Yeah, off you go. There's only one problem with this. The path is not muddy enough. I just noticed that there's a spare wheel. You interested? I could go in and get it. So the river, another lake the other side of it, and on this side, lake, and that the other side is Long Island down the middle of the lake. Says we've got to keep out here. Nice little bench, looking over another lake. Another seat. The height. Ducks and things. Just consulting where we were. Admittedly, June did look on her app, and it seems as though we're getting very close to Horseshoe Lake. So we're about there. I can see chairs and picnic tables on the other side of the river. So we got to where we come on our other walk last year at the viewing height. So we go off and Horseshoe Lake is over there. So that's the hide. Here's the stream. And that's Horseshoe Lake. And we're going that way back. Ah, lovely mud. So that's the path to the clubhouse, but instead we go left and this way. So we came up there from Horseshoe Lake onto the road and we go off left here onto the lower Sandhurst Road. Past the 2 brown dustbins and turn left. Turn left into the car park. Back to the car before the gate's locked. So, according to June, that was
3.7 kilometres.
3.7 kilometres.